Good morning, children. Now, the last topic of the lesson animals around us. That is, you're gonna learn about insects. Do you like insects? No, everyone hate insects. Yes, no, we won't like insect. See, insects are tiny animals with 6 legs. Yes or no? Yeah, they will be having many more legs. Some insects have wings. We love this because that's a butterfly. Yes, everyone like butterfly because it look very colorful, but even though that's also an insect. And there are many more animals, but they are not insects. They will be having more than 6 legs, and they cannot fly. For example, centipede, spider, etc. They are not insects, but they are tiny animals. Okay, see, there are more than 6 legs. Yes or no? The centipede is having more legs, and see the spider, it will be having 8 legs, I think so. And then at last, silverfish. It is also an insect, but it can't fly. Some insects can fly and some cannot fly. The insects which can fly is, that is, butterfly and dragonfly, etc. And there are more insects that which look like leaf and stick. See this? Yeah, it's exactly looking like a leaf. Yes, yeah, and this is exactly looking like a stick. So we should be careful in while we are standing under a tree, while we are plucking leaves, because they are exactly the same. Yes or no? Yeah, it will be very dangerous. So you do be careful while you are standing under a tree or plucking a leaf or taking a stick. Whatever else, do be careful. These are some examples of animals which are small in size, that is mosquito, ant, housefly, etc. And they are also called as insects, right? That's it. The lesson is over. Thank you.